You can access a GSM sample record from a GEO series page. The characteristic field stores multiple experimental parameters, each with a title and value. But it might be a bit hard to handle if you don't have coding skills. ChatGPT generates Python code for you just by telling it, "Generate Python code to export a table of GSM IDs and parameters from the characteristics field of a soft formatted family file." Check if ChatGPT correctly took your request. Click Copy the code. Open the Jupyter website and try Jupyter Lab. Add a new Python notebook and paste the code. Open the GEO record page and download the soft family formatted file. Upload the downloaded file to the Jupyter workspace. Rename it to fit the file name in the code. Click the Run button. If it outputs an error message, copy it. Paste the error message into ChatGPT. It explains what caused the problem and often provides a fixed code and workarounds. In this case, the code didn't expect input in GZ compressed format. So, request to make the code accept GZ compressed file. ChatGPT outputs a new code. Copy the code. Delete the former code in the Jupyter notebook. Paste the code. Modify the code to accept the input underscore family soft GZ file and execute it. Double-click on the output file to see the result. Download the output file. You can import the parameters by matching GSM numbers using the lookup tool in the Edit Parameters panel. Now you can make a biologically meaningful view with the experimental parameters. And you can define groups based on the imported parameters. On the other hand, if you want to import the parameters in the characteristics field into the sample information table, we recommend importing all parameters in the sample_characteristics_ch1 field without unbundling. Otherwise, the columns blow up to become unmanageable. So, request ChatGPT to rewrite code to concatenate all title value pairs with a separator, and export them with GSM numbers. Copy the code. Add a new Python notebook and paste the code. Modify the input file name in the code. Notice the output file name differs from the previous code. Execute and check the output file. Download the result file. You can take the file from the lookup tool of the Edit Sample Information panel. Import all the concatenated parameters as matching GSM numbers. Copy the entire column of characteristics and paste it into the sample_characteristics_ch1 column as a replacement. Delete temporary columns and save. You can import the sample_characteristics_ch1 from the Edit Parameters panel. You can extract each parameter by splitting at. Delete unnecessary parameters for the analysis. Copy the title part and paste it into the title field. Use the Find, Replace tool to remove all title parts to extract genuine parameter values.